All right, now we're ready to mix some mortar. We're gonna start laying some tile down. So this brand, it's one of those secrets I almost don't want to tell you about because this company is so amazing. It's Kiesel. They're from Germany. Actually ends up that most of the products I use are from Germany. This is one of them. Fantastic brand. I've used them pretty much all in the market, and I like a lot of them, but I just love this brand. So this is a Servolight. This is particularly for their walls, and it just sticks like glue. Once you mix this to the proper consistency, you put it on the wall, it basically, you take your tile and it's like glue. So we're gonna get started. We're gonna put a bit of water into there, and then we will add some mortar and mix away. So doing this is not rocket science. You don't wanna make a big deal out of it. Now, if you are mixing the whole bag, which more than likely you're not going to, because you don't even need a whole bag for that shower. Another great thing I love about this product is this small bag will do more square footage of tile than the other ones. For whatever reason, it's almost like foamy, and it just seems to expand. Light to work with, really, really nice stuff. Actually, easier to pour than most, which might not seem like a big deal, but when you're doing a lot of them, it sure is nice to have. So basically you pour in some water. You don't want to have too much, especially not at the start, because you don't want to be throwing out a bunch of mortar. So you have 8 liters, which is a full bag. So if you want to kind of help just get an idea of where that's at, you can break it down, which is basically 15 kilograms is 8 liters. So 2 liters to 1 kilogram, give or take. I don't know if that'll help you at all, but once you learn how to mix this stuff, it's just a really, really, really nice product. I'm a little dry, and this will happen to you all the time, still does to me. Basically, once it is that consistency of like peanut butter, then you know you're ready. Now you do have to let this sit like other mortars. Let it sit for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, come back, remix, and then it's set and ready to use.